again, Alice and Michelle. We're upstairs at the Trellises. Want to show you in this big, huge master suite. Lovely ensuite bathroom. You've got two small, not small, I don't know why I said small, two large linen closets. This is actually a massive walk-in closet. We're not going to go in it, but it is huge. You can't see it all because you have to make the turn. Maybe you can get it, Michelle. Plenty of storage for winter and spring and summer apparel. Now we're going to step into the bedroom. Oh, I want to show you. Very nice. You have big open area, but you have a pocket door. I love those. So you can close off, but it's love the openness of the space. There we go. Now, massive master. My goodness, Michelle and I are joking. We really think you could put 2 kings in here. We don't know for sure, but it looks big enough for sure. And then you're gonna love beams. And then it is a little noisy because it's about to rain. We've got a little summer shower about to start, and then we've got some mowing. But I wanted you to see how beautiful this quaint neighborhood is. I love it here at the Trellises. So the landscaping and the yard maintenance is all part of your HOA here. So that's super nice. And they keep it lovely. So this is West Canal. Okay, right here's West Canal. And then if you look behind Michelle, that's where the canal is. Have a great day.